Today we are going to see a regenerative braking system and safety systems used in our modern automobiles. So regenerative braking system is the system जी की तुम्हाला हायब्रिड व्हेकल किंवा इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हेकल मध्ये पाहायला मिळते. नॉट इन आवर आयसी इंजिन्स. ज्या कार्स आपण आयसी इंजिनवर चालवतो त्यामध्ये in that regenerative braking system is not available. So if you just see, there is a figure in front of you, acceleration आणि braking असे दोन वेगवेगळे फिगर दिलेले आहे. If you just see the acceleration figure, the power is supplied from the engine and through battery inverter, electric motor is also running, and the engine and motor power is given to the drive. It is acceleration. Acceleration means your vehicle velocity is going to increase. When we say about the braking, if there is a braking action means it is not sudden braking. जे आपण एकदम सडन ब्रेक दाबून एकदम झिरोवर आपली कार घेतो किंवा आपले व्हेकल घेतो, that is sudden braking. But it is not expected that there is a sudden braking, but obviously many times we generally release accelerator. Once you release accelerator, that means you need to reduce the speed of the vehicle. Not necessarily direct एकदम sudden brake दाबायलाच पाहिजे असं काही नाही. At that time, you just see in the figure, you'll find that there is an automatic clutch. Once you release your accelerator, automatic clutch is going to operate. Automatic clutch operate होतं. The engine is disconnected from motor and drive. Now that electric motor is act as a generator, because now there is a reverse power is given. So your drive, your wheels are going to rotate, and the rotation is having kinetic energy. That kinetic energy is used. That kinetic energy is used to rotate the motor, that is generator, and we generate some electricity. That electricity is again passed through the battery from through the inverter. Okay, so it is going to store some energy from the braking. Now this is the regenerative braking system. We'll see detail about this regenerative braking system here. Now in front of you there is one simple video. I think all of you can see that video. So now in our traditional system, if I apply the brake, then kinetic energy is released as a heat energy. You can see the kinetic energy is released as a heat energy in the conventional system, because whatever kinetic energy is applied, that kinetic energy is applied to the shoe brake, and the shoe which is going to have a friction with the drum, and because of that there is a release of heat energy. That heat energy stop the vehicle. But in case of hybrid vehicle, directly that shoe and shoe brake system doesn't work. In hybrid system, the engine is disconnected. In case of our battery system, there is no need of disconnection of engine, because engine is not there in the electrical vehicle. Okay, in the hybrid or electrical vehicle, the reverse process is going to start. How it is going to start, you can see now. Here, rotation of the wheel. Now accelerator is not working. Accelerator pedal हमने निकाल दिया है. So if there is no any acceleration and we need to reduce the speed of the vehicle, obviously there is a supply of kinetic energy from the wheel to the drivetrain to the motor, and motor is act as a generator, and it stores the energy inside the battery. So this is the generative braking torque. 100% conversion of kinetic energy of the vehicle into the generative braking torque. Whereas the friction braking torque is almost zero here. Friction braking torque is zero. So now we need to apply the sudden brake. If there is a sudden brake is needed, then you can see in the sudden braking, generative braking torque is now zero, but the friction braking torque is applied over there. So this is sudden braking. So under the sudden braking, you need to go for our conventional braking. But sudden braking doesn't require almost every time. Okay, sudden braking doesn't require almost every time. So that is our regenerative braking system. Next to that, we'll see safety in automobiles. So variety of safety system that are going to study. In that, the first system is airbags and safety belts. The another system is automatic emergency braking. Next is adaptive cruise control, electronic stability program, anti-collision system, and active-passive integration system. All these safety systems that we are going to study one by one. In that, the first one is airbags and safety belts. As we know, the airbags and safety belt. Everybody has seen safety belts. Safety belts are very common because it is a part of our Euro 3 and Euro 4 or Bharat 3 and Bharat 4 system in every vehicle. Now, as we have Bharat 6 as a system, safety systems, in that, in addition to safety belt, airbags are also compulsory. अभी airbag compulsory हो चुके हैं. Airbags are also compulsory. So let us go in detail. The first safety in automobile, airbags. Now, first thing is airbags are safety self-control system. So what is meant by self-control system? That means airbag doesn't have any human interface, and our safety belts also doesn't have any human interface. So driver or the passenger no need to do anything. ड्रायव्हरला किंवा पॅसेंजरला काहीच करायचं नाहीये. या ही जी फर्स्ट एअरबॅग सिस्टीम आहे, इट इज सेल्फ कंट्रोल सिस्टीम and it will actuate automatically. It is automatic system. Okay. Now the safety belts, working of safety belts, safety belts are very very simple. You need to put your safety belts in place. जिथे तुम्हाला लावायचे असतात तिथे सेफ्टी बेल्टला लॉक करून ठेवायचं असतं. And there is very simple locking mechanism. If there is a sudden acceleration and deacceleration, if there is any changes in the acceleration, the belt will work. So belt will get tightened. तो बेल्ट टाइट होऊन जाईल. समजा जर तुम्ही सडनली समोर याचा प्रयत्न केलात तर you can feel it when you try to pull the belt from the socket. तुम्ही आता सुद्धा ते फील करू शकता. तुमच्याकडे व्हेकल असेल, ट्राय टू सडनली पुल द बेल्ट, सो इट विल लॉक. ते लॉक होऊन जाईल. अगेन इट विल रिलीज if you release it slowly. So that is a safety belt system. Now, in addition to safety belt system, there is a airbag. So airbag, what is the main thing inside the airbag? Airbag is work with sensor, inflation system, and airbag. So sensors. So airbag provides cushion in crash for driver and passenger. It provides a shock absorbing element, a cushioning element. जर समजा क्रॅश होत असेल किंवा सडन डिॲक्सेलरेशन झालं तर त्या ड्रायव्हर किंवा पॅसेंजरला कुठल्याही प्रकारची डॅमेज होऊ नये, कुठल्या प्रकारचे फिजिकल हार्म होऊ नये याच्यासाठी ह्या एअरबॅगचं कुशनिंग म्हणून काम करत असतं. ओके. देयर इज अ sensor, inflation system and airbag system. So this is the system. So in that the airbag is made up from thin nylon material. So there may be question, What is the material used for airbag? So nylon. Nylon is the material. Nylon fabric is used for the airbag. So this airbag is put inside the steering as well as dashboard as well as at the bottom at the uh, door side and at the back side of the seat for the back passengers. So airbags are placed because as per the different types, we know that there are different types of airbags. Airbag कशा प्रकारे आहेत त्याच्याप्रमाणे ते प्लेस केले जातात. सो इट इज इन द फोल्डेड फॉर्म. ते फोल्ड करून स्टेअरिंग व्हील मध्ये किंवा डॅशबोर्ड मध्ये किंवा डोअर मध्ये किंवा मागच्या सीट मध्ये ठेवलेले असतात. द सेन्सर्स आर यूज टू ट्रिगर द इन्फ्लेशन ऑफ एअरबॅग. ती एअरबॅग फुगवण्यासाठी सेन्सर्स हे यूज केले जातात. हाऊ इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क दॅट विल सी इन डिटेल. त्याचं वर्किंग आपण पाहूया कसं आहे ते. So obviously if there is a sudden change in the speed, means there is a sudden change in the deacceleration. If there is a sudden deacceleration, okay, if there is a rate of change of deacceleration, that means if sudden jerk is there, that is called as a collision or crash. During the collision there is a mechanical switch which is going to flip or which is going to on the sensor. Okay, so there is a mechanical switch, not only single switch, but there are more than one switch which is placed in front of the vehicle. समोरच्या बाजूला समोरच्या डॅशबोर्ड समोरच्या व्हेकलच्या front side la number of mechanical switches are placed. These switches are used to sense the collision. Sensitivity किती असते त्याच्यामध्ये? So if you just think about a car which is driving with 20 km per hour, and if it is going to directly hit the concrete wall, then there is a whatever damage we can say, that particular crash or that particular change in the acceleration is considered as a sensitivity for the sensor. म्हणजे तुम्हाला जर समजा तुमचं एअरबॅग ओपन करायचे असेल तर तुम्हाला 20 किलोमीटर ऍटलिस्ट 20 किलोमीटरने एखाद्या कॉन्क्रीट वॉलला तुमची कार धडकावी लागेल. सो दिस इज द मिनिमम सेन्सिटिव्हिटी. सो मोर दॅन दॅट at any time if your car get damaged, there is a opening of these airbags. हे sensitivity साठी ठेवलेलं आहे. Okay, rapid deacceleration sensed by sensors and that signals are sent to inflation system. What is inflation system? So inflation system is the system in which there is a sudden filling of gas. Okay, so how it is going to fill the gas inside this airbag? Because airbag is a bag which is filled with some type of gas. So the nylon bag, which is generally fit in the steering of the driver or in the dashboard of the side passenger, it is going to fill with some gas. What is the gas? Gas is nitrogen. How this nitrogen is going to fill? So whenever there is a collision occur, the mechanical switches get sensed, and the sensation of that particular mechanical switch is sent through sensors. Okay, what the sensor will do? The sensor will send the signal to one inflation system. Inside the inflation system, that means at the bottom side of that airbag, the inflation system is fitted. The bottom side of airbag is on the steering. Okay, so the bottom side of airbag consists of mixture of sodium azide and potassium nitrate. This sodium azide and potassium nitrate has a chemical reaction and it generates nitrogen instantaneously if the spark is given to that. So if there is no spark, the airbag cannot open. The spark is initiated. The spark is initiated by sodium oxide. Sodium oxide is very sensitive material, it will give spark if it is in contact with air or water. So that sodium oxide ignite some spark inside this inflation system, which is at the bottom side of airbag. So the sodium azide and potassium nitrate get react with each other, and suddenly there is a production of nitrogen. Nitrogen gas is produced inside the gas, and it suddenly filled. So how much time it will take? The time is very important. कारण आपण कार चालवतोय, कार किती वेळामध्ये हा गॅस भरला म्हणजे ऍक्सिडेंट होणार नाही किंवा आपल्याला डॅमेज होणार नाही. सो दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. द airbag will fill in the average inflation occur in 20 to 30 milliseconds. So this is the filling rate. तुमची व्हेकल ज्या पॉइंटला ज्या टाइमला तिथे डॅमेज होईल किंवा टच होईल किंवा क्रॅश होईल त्याच्यानंतर फक्त 20 ते 30 मिलीसेकंद, 20 to 30 milliseconds is very nano part of our minute or hour, or it is a very micro part of our second also. 20 to 30 milliseconds you cannot even think over it. 20 to 30 milliseconds is very short period of time. तर तेवढ्या कमी वेळामध्ये there is a inflation, suddenly generation of nitrogen, and it will fill the airbag. So front airbag is going to provide to give safety to head, chest and neck. Side and curtain airbag will give safety to head, chest, neck and body and arm. So there is a side and curtain airbag, because if there is a side crash or rolling, in that case the side and door airbag also going to inflate. The size of side airbag is bigger. After once there is a inflation झाल्यानंतर airbag मोठी झाल्यानंतर again the residue gases are going to remove and the bag will remain empty, but you cannot reuse that. Again you have to replace the complete system. If there is a dash or there is a crash and your airbag get open, and you have to change everything. So that is the working of airbag. So practically you can see that in the next video. Now this is our car. When the car is going to crash, so sudden deacceleration will be there. As car is having some mass and passengers are loosely put inside the car, obviously there is a inertia. Because of the inertia मुळे काय होईल, passengers जे आहेत, passenger हे समोरच्या बाजूला जातात. there is a inertia, and because of the inertia there is a front movement of passenger and driver. If belts are provided, if there is a belts, then belts will give good protection. Belt will try to give the best position, or it will not move forward. Sudden forward movement is not possible. So seat belt will take all the inertia and the passenger will remain in his position. But only seat belt cannot give complete safety. There is a impact. If it is very high, then we need an airbag. So this is airbag. You can see the airbags. The airbag may come out. So these airbags are the front airbags. इथे तुम्हाला दिसते ते front airbag आहे. The side airbags, you can see now side airbags. So side airbags are also there. These side airbags will come out from the side. So side airbags are generally used if there is a rollover. तुमची जर गाडी पलटी खाल्ली, गोल फिरली, रोलिंग ओव्हर झाली, तर साइड एअरबॅग्स अशा प्रकारे ओपन होतील. आणि there is a curtain airbag. So curtain airbag is also there. So as per our Bharat stage 6, such type of 6 airbags are there. 6 airbag अशा प्रकारे सगळीकडून येतील आणि तुमचे जे काही व्हेकल आहे ते प्रोटेक्ट केले जाईल. Now let us see how it happens. कसं होतंय ते पहा. So this is the vehicle. Now the vehicle is in running position. So this is the acceleration position, but suddenly there is a deceleration. Deceleration झाल्याबरोबर how the mechanical switch is going to work. Now you can see, so there is a sensing. Now once there is a collision, crash झाल्याबरोबर airbag module जो आहे सेन्सर मॉड्यूल तो ऍक्टिव्हेट होतो. सो सीट बेल्ट टाईट होतील त्याच्यापूर्वी सीट बेल्ट टाईट झाल्यानंतर तुमच्या स्टेअरिंग मधून तुमची एअरबॅग ही बाहेर पडणार आहे. बिफोर दॅट देर इज अ जनरेशन ऑफ नायट्रोजन गॅस बाय कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ our two chemical reactions and sodium oxide is going to ignite that. Once it is going to ignite, ते एकदा ignite झाल्याबरोबर अशा प्रकारे इथे airbag ही बाहेर पडते. So this is the operation of airbag. Okay. Now next to that there is a one more system which is called as a anti-skid braking system. After this airbag, the next thing that we are going to see is a anti-skid braking system. What is meant by anti-skid braking system? First we'll understand that. So as we know, if I apply the brakes, it may be two-wheeler असेल किंवा four-wheeler असेल. तुम्ही जर सडन ब्रेक अप्लाय केले की तुमच्या व्हील जो आहे तो सडनली थांबून जातो आणि व्हील थांबल्यामुळे देयर इज अ स्किडिंग. तुमच्या व्हेकलचं रोलिंग जे असतं ते रोलिंग थांबून जातं. तुमच्या व्हेकलचं व्हील हे लिनियर मोशननी घासल्या जातं. सो स्लिपिंग इज देअर, अँटी स्किडिंग इज देअर और स्लिपिंग इज देअर. If it happens then there is a sudden accident. कारण त्याच्यामध्ये या केसमध्ये तुम्हाला कुठल्याही प्रकारे इथे थांबवता येणार नाही, कारण तुमच्या हातामध्येच काही राहणार नाही. तुमचं व्हेकलचे पूर्ण कंट्रोल हे चालले जाते. सो how to avoid such type of locking of wheel, because here the wheel are get locked, ते wheel थांबून गेलेले आहेत and there is a linear velocity gained by the tires. हे काढण्यासाठी there is a anti-skid braking system. So what is first, how it happens, we'll see. कसं होतंय पहा. Now this is anti-lock braking system operation. So in the anti-lock braking system operation, we know that such type of brakes are there, and if I apply the brake, now you can see how the skidding is there. Again you can see, now you can see here sudden skidding. Your vehicle is going to skid and you don't have any steering control. तुम्हाला काहीच करता येत नाही. तुम्ही ब्रेक दाबलेला आहे, ब्रेक दाबूनही तुमचे व्हेकल हे सरळ स्किड होत धडक मारणार आहे. सो सच टाइप ऑफ थिंग शुड नॉट बी देअर. तर त्यासाठी अशा प्रकारची अँटी स्किड ब्रेकिंग सिस्टीम शुड बी देअर. इन द अँटी स्किड ब्रेकिंग सिस्टीम up to end of your acceleration, you have a complete control on steering as well as brake. So this is the anti-skid braking system. Anti-skid braking system मध्ये काय काय युनिट असतात पहा. So there is a wheel, there is a hydraulic system. You can find one hydraulic cylinder. Hydraulic cylinder is going to provide hydraulic oil to the shoes, and there is a wheel and shoe brake. But in addition to that, there is a tooth wheel. You can see the tooth wheel on that wheel position, and there is a sensor. That sensor is, again, it is called as a electronic control unit. That electronic control unit is connected to the hydraulic system supply unit. Supply unit ला ते electronic control unit जोडलेला आहे. So here that tooth wheel is going to rotate, always rotate. Now if I apply the brake, what happened to that tooth wheel and what happened to the electronic control unit, that we'll see. Now here the complete tooth wheel, electronic control system, and the complete vehicle is now in working position. There is no any application of brake. Brake apply केलेला नाही. So in that only that electronic control unit is going to sense. Now the brake is applied. You can see now the brake is applied. ब्रेक अप्लाय केलाय पण अजूनही आपलं व्हील थांबलेलं नाही. व्हील थांबलेलं आहे. If it is stop, then there is a signal sent to ECU. ECU is going to send signal to the control unit. Control unit ला ते सिग्नल जात आहेत आणि ते कंट्रोल युनिट जे आहे ते कंट्रोल युनिट पुन्हा पुन्हा थोडं थोडं ऑइल सोडून त्या चाकाला फिरवत राहायला लागलंय. Okay, so that is the main thing. Here you can see this is a complete system. Electronic control unit is connected to all the wheel and it is going to manage the pure rolling action. Pure rolling action is important. Pure rolling action जर नसेल तर तुम्हाला स्किडिंग होणार आहे. So that is avoided in this anti-skid braking system. Now the next safety system that we'll see is automatic emergency braking system. Automatic emergency braking system म्हणजेच काय? सो ऑटोमॅटिक इमर्जन्सी ब्रेक. सो त्याचं नावच तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल की इट इज अ सेल्फ ऍक्च्युएटिंग ब्रेकिंग सिस्टीम. सेल्फ ऍक्च्युएटिंग ब्रेकिंग सिस्टीम म्हणजे काय की तुम्ही ड्रायव्हरनी जर ब्रेक नाही दाबला तरी देखील ब्रेक लागलाच पाहिजे. इफ देर इज इमर्जन्सी ड्रायव्हर इंटरफेस इज ऑल्सो गेट अवॉइडेड. तुम्हाला ड्रायव्हरची गरजच नाही, तुमचं तुम्ही तो ब्रेक लागला पाहिजे. सो दॅट काइंड ऑफ सिस्टीम इज रिक्वायर्ड. So if such type of system is required, then obviously आता जर अशा प्रकारचे सिस्टीम आपल्याला पाहिजे असेल, we must sense everything. गाडीच्या बाहेरचं जे काही वातावरण आहे किंवा जे गाडीच्या बाहेरचं जे काही आहे, it should be sensed by the car body or the system. कारने ते सेन्स केलं पाहिजे. So how we can sense that? So for that we need some kind of sensors. So what kind of sensors are there? If there is a cameras or if there is a radar system, ultrasonic waves पाठवले, आपण अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्ह जर एखाद्या सरफेस वर पाठवले, then it is get reflect back. If it get reflect back and we can sense the size of that particular object. So तशा टाइपच्या रडार सिस्टीम किंवा काही ऑप्टिकल सेन्सर्स जे की आपल्याला एखाद्या ऑप्टिकल डायोड सारखे काम करणारे काही सेन्सर्स हे त्या व्हेकलला लावले. सो ऑटोमॅटिक इमर्जन्सी सेन्सर रिक्वायर्ड फर्स्ट we need to understand the outside environment of the vehicle in all working condition. तिथे पाऊस जरी पडला तरी ही सिस्टीम वर्क केली पाहिजे, बर्फ पडला तरी पडली पाहिजे, धूळ असली तरी केलं पाहिजे किंवा वारा येत असेल तरी केली पाहिजे. In every situation, if your vehicle can sense all the environment. Okay, so there are three categories. First is city traffic. In the city traffic, obviously city traffic means it is a low velocity condition, low speed condition. So under this low speed condition, we need to take care of the other vehicles which should not come inside your path. So in that the scanning of the outside environment should be very dense. कारण इथे आपल्याला खूप जवळ व्हेकल्स आहेत म्हणजे तुमचं स्कॅनिंग जे आहे ते खूप डेन्स झालं पाहिजे. प्रत्येक ठिकाणी बारीक छोट्या एकेका सेंटीमीटर वर जर काही असेल तर ते सेन्स केलं पाहिजे. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ सिटी ट्रॅफिक. सेकंड इज अ हायवे ट्रॅफिक. हायवे ट्रॅफिक मीन्स देर इज अ चान्सेस दॅट यू आर हॅव्हिंग हाय स्पीड. हायवे वर जायचंय तर युअर व्हेकल स्पीड इज ऑल्सो हाय and in that emergency braking is required. That means you need to have some braking distance. सेफ ब्रेकिंग डिस्टन्स. तर सेफ ब्रेकिंग डिस्टन्स पाहिजे म्हणजे तुम्हाला जास्त अंतरापर्यंत सेन्स केलं पाहिजे. सो स्कॅन अप टू 200 मीटर. So you have to scan all the different kinds of vehicles which are around you up to 200 meters. So that is called high speed sensor. Whereas pedestrian sensor means समजा जर तुमच्या आजूबाजूला काही छोटे छोटे कुत्रा असेल, कोंबडी आली किंवा एखादा गाय आली, so such type of animals, if there is a pedestrian walker or small object if there, then it should be sensed by this system. So this system will work by different way. First thing is, this system will work first, it will give alert. Alert means what? समजा जर तुम्ही अशा प्रकारची सिस्टीम तुमच्या व्हेकल मध्ये आहे, ऑटोमॅटिक इमर्जन्सी सिस्टीम. सो यू रिमेंबर दॅट AEB विचारलं जातं परीक्षेमध्ये, व्हॉट इज AEB? इट इज ऑटोमॅटिक इमर्जन्सी ब्रेकिंग सिस्टीम. सो ऑटोमॅटिक इमर्जन्सी ब्रेकिंग सिस्टीम जर तुमच्या व्हेकल मध्ये असेल, ओके, आणि जर त्या व्हेकल तुम्ही रोडवर चालवत असाल तर सुरुवातीला तुम्हाला त्या रोडवर जर आजूबाजूला खूप सारे व्हेकल्स असतील, ही that particular car will give alert. Alert means what? There is a red signal, there is a red alarm and red position is shown on the dashboard. आणि जरी देखील तुम्ही जर समजा त्याचा काहीच विचार केला नाही आणि तुमची ऍक्सिलरेटरवरचा पाय काढलाच नाही, then automatically the car will take itself action. It is a self actuator system. Car will take action and your vehicle's speed is going to reduce. तरी देखील तुम्ही ऐकलं नाही तर जर समजा तुमच्या व्हेकल हे खूपच अलर्ट झोन मध्ये आला, तर अलर्ट झोन मध्ये आला तर ते सरळ सरळ तुम्ही तुमच्या व्हेकलला ऑटोमॅटिक ब्रेक लागून जातील अँड युअर व्हेकल is going to stop. So this is the automatic braking system. How it works पाहूयात आपण. Now you'll find one simple automatic emergency braking system there. आपल्याला खूप सारे दुसरे जसं की बेल्ट पाहायला आपण, हँड ब्रेक इज देअर, बट ऑटोमॅटिक ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम is somewhat different than that. So there is a radar, there is a waves that are going to sense. So these are the different vehicles manufacturer and they have such kind of system. ही सिस्टीम आली कुठून? ही ऑटोमॅटिक ब्रेकिंग सिस्टीम is the main it is contributed by insurance company of USA. त्यांनी इन्शुरन्स इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हायवे सेफ्टी यांनी ती सिस्टीम इम्प्लिमेंट केली. का इम्प्लिमेंट केली? only because of this system there is a 35% reduction of the accident. 35% सरळ सरळ ऍक्सिडेंट हे कमी झाले, क्लेम कमी झाले. सो that's why this system is important. ही सिस्टीम वर्क कशी करते? इट विल गिव्ह सम radar sensors or it will give such type of variety of different systems. हे systems आपण इथे पाहतोय, but that system is not ते लक्षात ठेवायची आपल्याला गरज नाही. But how it is going to work you can see. So obviously it will sense the vehicle. समोरचे vehicle हे sense करून if there is an emergency braking required then it will take action. You can see here. इथे तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल की त्या रडार सिस्टीम मध्ये लगेचच ते काही ऑब्जेक्ट आलाय का समोर हे दाखवून आपली व्हेकल सडनली स्टॉप करते. या केस मध्ये आपण इथे अॅनिमेशन मध्ये पाहू शकतो. इन दॅट ड्रायव्हर नो नीड टू डू एनिथिंग. समजा सडनली जर समजा समोर जर एखादं व्हेकल आलं तर तुमचा ब्रेक पॅडल ऑटोमॅटिक दाबले जातो. सो देर इज अ ऑटोमॅटिक brake is going to press. Okay, so this is the automatic emergency system which is very useful in today's vehicle. आता हे जे आहे या सिस्टीम मध्ये भारतामध्ये जर समजा ही सिस्टीम अप्लाय केली आहे का असं जर आपल्याला वाटत असेल तर यू कॅन सी द नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. So this is the video which shows the Indian road automatic emergency braking system. So there is a ड्रायव्हर. तुम्ही पाहता इथे की तो ड्रायव्हर जो आहे तो सरळ सरळ झोपतोय आणि ते झोपल्यामुळे आता इथे ऍक्सिडेंट होणार आहे. सरळ इथे जाऊन देयर इज अ कोलिजन. सो इफ दिस इज व्हेरी कॉमन, कारण आपल्याला माहिती आहे की ऑल दिस डिफरंट व्हेकल्स, जे काही मोठ्या मोठ्या व्हेकल्स आहेत ज्या की रोडवर रात्रीच्या वेळेस चालतात. सो देर शुड बी something which can avoid that. So there is a sixth sense technology in India. Sixth sense technology is going to implement. So it will give alarm. पहिल्यांदा सेफ डिस्टन्स वर असेल तर अलाराम देईल, केअरफुली असेल तर अलाराम देईल किंवा वॉर्निंगचा अलाराम देईल. सो such kind of system can work. So it should work at any environment. टेम्परेचर जर -10 ते 60 पर्यंत जाऊ शकतं. There may be chances that there is a fumes and other things. Again, it should apply for any vehicle. So it should have a range of 0 to 200. So such type of emergency system is used. Now you can see if such type of emergency system is there, how it is going to work. So now the system is fitted inside our bus. आता सध्या जर तो तशा प्रकारची सिस्टीम असेल तर कसे सेन्स व्हेकल सेन्स करता येतील हे आपण पाहतोय. कुठलेही व्हेकल जवळ आलं की तो इट विल गिव्ह अलार्म. सो दिस इज वन वे अलार्मिंग. सो अलार्म जर समजा ड्रायव्हर जागा असेल तर तो अलार्म पाहिल. जर समजा तो जागाच नसेल अँड ही इज गोइंग टू अगेन इन्क्रीज द स्पीड, तर तो अशा प्रकारची स्पीड इन्क्रीज करतच गेला आणि अशा प्रकारे झोपला. यू कॅन सी देर इज इन्क्रीज इन द स्पीड, ऑटोमॅटिकली देर इज अ ब्रेकिंग ऍक्शन. सो ऑटोमॅटिक ब्रेकिंग ऍक्शन मुळे व्हेकल हे अशा प्रकारे स्टॉप होऊन जाणार आहे. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम इज अवेलेबल नाउ इन इंडिया ऑल्सो ऍज अ सिक्स सेन्स टेक्नॉलॉजी. सो such kind of system is a automatic emergency braking system. So this is all about our today we have seen airbag, seat belt, anti-skid braking system, automatic braking system, which are used in our different types of vehicle. Tomorrow we will see our rest of the other system also. Okay.